My name is Kwadwo, and I'll be presenting on the topic supply chain orchestration. That's the future of integrated supply chain management. That's a presentation outline, introduction, evolution of supply chain management, core principles of supply chain orchestration, key technological enablers, components of sustainable orchestration, benefits of supply chain orchestration, real-world examples, challenges and risk, future trends, and I'll conclude. So with the introduction, I'll define supply chain orchestration. It refers to the coordinated management of interconnected supply chain activities, integrating people, processes, and technologies to ensure seamless operations from raw material sourcing to final product delivery. So, evolution of supply chain management. In today's highly competitive and globalized business environment, organizations face increasing pressure to deliver products faster at lower cost and with greater efficiency. As a result, traditional supply chain management approaches are no longer sufficient, and companies are adopting orchestration strategies to achieve end-to-end visibility and control. So, core principles of supply chain orchestration. Visibility. That's how clear players or key nodes of supply chain activities are known. That's how clear the activities are known. Integration, how connected the activities of the key players, and synchronization, that's ensuring the activities that they play align with their KPIs, that's the key performance index. And adaptability, that's responding to real-time distractions. So key technological enablers, that's the AI and machine learning. It helps in predictive analysis for risk and demand. LOT and tracking devices, that ensures real-time visibility and traceability. Automation and RPA, that's combinational and sequential circuits. So components of sustainable orchestration are the demand planning, how well they plan to meet customer demands. That's the inventory optimization, how well the inventory or stock level is managed. Transportation management is how well goods that are sent from, that's raw materials are transported from manufacturers to the retailer or to the warehouse, and how items are being dispatched to the customers. Supplier collaboration, that's working hand in hand with the suppliers of raw materials to sustain the business. Sustainability and carbon reduction strategies, how well machines or equipment or other activities that affect the process or affect the environment are being managed to have a sustainable environment. Case examples, that's a retail FMCG company involving responsive using the analyst, logistics firm using orchestration for end-to-end shipment visibility, manufacturing plants leveraging the LOT for real-time production scheduling. Okay. Benefits of supply chain orchestration: improve visibility, that's how well the key players in the chain activities are well known to the team. And also enhance efficiency, how machines are able to perform the tasks or meet expectations of the customers. cost optimization, how cost is being reduced or cost made from the processes are low. Increased agility and resilience, how well the efforts of the key players are also known. Better customer experience through supply chain orchestration, when customers have a feel of the process from the supplier. So I have a video, I'll play the video to enlighten more of supply chain orchestration.
For a lot of small and mid-sized logistics companies, it's hard to compete when systems aren't integrated, processes are not automated, visibility is limited, and your warehouse still isn't truly mobile. And when software is overpriced, it doesn't just slow you down, it blocks the investments that actually drive growth. In this video, I'll show you how Supply Chain Orchestrator brings everything together in one platform. Full integration across core modules, workflow automation for consistent execution, AI-powered intelligence, real-time visibility, mobile warehouse tools, and an affordable system built for your business. Supply Chain Orchestrator connects the key modules your team needs in one place. CRM, WMS, workflows, dimensioning, mobile app, customer portal, and accounting. That means one customer record, one inventory view, and one operational workflow, without re-entering the same data across multiple systems or jumping between different tools and interfaces that add complexity. Because these modules share the same data, updates flow automatically across the operation. Now, when companies only rely on people to remember what to do, who to notify, and what comes next, delays and mistakes show up fast. With Orchestrator workflows, you can define processes that guide users step by step, automatically assign tasks with clear instructions, and notify teammates and customers at the right time, so execution stays consistent and efficient. Instead of chasing steps, your team follows a process that runs the same way every time. AI is another area where teams save time and make smarter decisions, from creating a package from a shipping label in under 5 seconds, to asking questions and getting answers without building manual reports. Supply Chain Orchestrator adds a new level of intelligence to your operation. And visibility is critical if you want to stay ahead of issues. That's why we built a fully customizable reporting platform that lets you report on virtually any data point and visualize it with clear charts and dashboards. That means faster answers, clearer trends, and decisions made without waiting on custom report requests, spreadsheets, and endless data cleanup. We also focused heavily on the warehouse because execution doesn't happen at a desk. The system has to move with your team. With the Supply Chain Orchestrator mobile app, warehouse staff can capture photos, videos, documents, dimensions, and weight in real time, create packages in seconds, and execute daily warehouse tasks without going back to a desk. The result is faster operations, less walking time, fewer errors, and less back and forth across teams and customers, more productivity and fewer headaches. And while many platforms get too expensive, forcing companies to choose between software and growth, Supply Chain Orchestrator typically costs about 65% less on average. So you can modernize operations while continuing to invest in your business. That's how Supply Chain Orchestrator delivers what growing logistics teams need. Integration, workflow automation, AI-powered intelligence, real-time visibility, warehouse mobility, and affordability, all in one connected platform. If you want to see how it fits your operation, schedule a demo at supplychainorchestrator.com. One partner, one connected stack.
Challenges and risk: integration of legacy systems, data silos, high implementation of cost, resistance to change, cybersecurity risk. Future trends: increased use of AI and machine learning, enhancing predictive capabilities and automation. Digital twins, that's creating virtual models of supply chain for simulation and optimization. Sustainability initiatives, reducing environmental impact through efficient resource utilization. Autonomous supply chains, leveraging automation for self-regulating systems. Greater focus on resilience, that's building supply chains that can withstand disruption. So, conclusion, supply chain orchestration is a vital approach for managing modern supply chain in a dynamic and complex business environment. By integrating process, leveraging advancing technologies and foster collaboration, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, agility, and resilience. So I'll end my presentation here. Thank you.